In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Rainbow High Runway Rush on PC. So open your Google browser, and what we need to do, we need to search up this game quickly at Steam before we can continue to our workaround site to download this game without overpaying. So be aware, we are not going to buy this game at Steam, we are going to download it on another website. So first, search up the game at Steam quickly, don't waste too much time on it before we can proceed to the other website. Go to the game, after that select the game page, and once you are there, scroll a little bit down and you will find the game for €39.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. Go to the video description where it says find game here and click on that link. After that, you will be redirected to this page, and here we can search up the same game, Rainbow High Runway Rush, and select the game. After that, make sure you sort by and then select price lowest first. And as you can see, we have a PC version over here, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise you are not able to download the game. After that, select the game and we can continue to the game page. And as you can see, we can already download this game for just €1.64 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, once you have purchased this game, you will receive a Steam activation key, so you can activate this game within your Steam account and then download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.